Welcome guys to the series of creating Vray professional materials. So it is the first episode of creating Vray materials. The later will come more. So today we are going to make the ocean water Vray material. For this I chose a scene. I have already opened it to show you. It's a simple pool scene. So the next thing what I'm going to do is going to add some water. I could use some ocean scene to show you the ocean scene, because I'm going to create an ocean water, but it will also, it's for just demonstration. I'm going to use this scene because I have pre-made this scene. So what we are going to do, I'm going to first simply will add a plane into the empty. As you can see, there is nothing yet inside, there is no water I created yet. Okay, so it's like empty. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a plane which will work as a water. Okay, I'm going to turn on the snap toggle and set the mode on vertex, then click from one corner to other, and then snap toggle off, go back to the side, and here I'm going to move a plane little bit inside. Okay, until here is good, I guess. So we can go a little bit more down, or until here it will be good. Okay, I can expand it a little bit if I want. Use the scale. Okay, that's look good. I was a little bit up, so okay, that's all. Go back to our camera mode. Vray cam. Now we are going to start make the material. Press M in material editor, press any empty slot, then go standard, and you need to select the Vray material, which will appear soon. Okay, I need to choose another slot, which is standard, then go to Vray material. Here we go, Vray material, select Vray material. The next thing you are going to do, click on the diffuse or this box which is next to the diffuse. Click on it, and you have to select the fall off from the standard menus. From this standard category you have to select the fall off. Okay, what are you going to do, it will give you option of two colors. Okay, so we need to change the color of this. For example, click on the upper one color and give it some value like 70 in the red. You have to choose, you alternate these RGBs. First one 17, second 27, and the third one 42. Then click OK. You will see a little bluish color. The next thing you are going to change the bottom color, which is you have to change this value about for example, in R you need to put 74, and 121 in green, and 139 in blue, and then click OK. The next thing you are going to do is go back to parent. In the reflection, click on it and move the cursor a little bit down, and a little bit down, more down. So down this, you see the value about 45, and then click OK. And in the next thing we are going to change, in the reflection options, we're going to unpress this L button here, and here we need to put the highlight glossiness value of 0.65, and in reflection glossiness we will put 0.7. Okay, 0.7. And in subdivision you have to put 12, and in max depth you are going to put value, leave it as 5, it will be fine. And after these settings you have to scroll down, as I'm using the 2015 3D Max, so and almost every version editor, material editor is same. So when you scroll down you will see the options tab, and what you are going to do, you need to uncheck that fog system scaling. And now what we are going to do is go to map menu, maps, then go to reflection, click none, and then you are going to select again fall off. It will also again give you two color. You have to change the upper one with the value of 134, and again 134. Click OK. Then for lower color, click on that color box to select it and give it values like 65 and 101 and 129. Then press click OK. Now go back to your appearance. Now go to bump, and now we are going to choose the noise in the standard tab, noise, and click OK. So the next thing you are going to do is click on the noise parameter and select turbulence, and give it the size value. You can see that looks a little bit waves, like wavy, like ocean waves. So you can choose the size of your waves. So when you decrease, because it's something like pool, I will use some decrease the size of waves. So it depends on how bigger waves you like. So I'm going to give it the value 1, which will be enough for my pool. Okay, and in the bump value you must increase it about, I'm going to 60 or some 55 would be nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is go to reflection interpolation, so and give it the value to -3 and maximum rate to 0, and then go to reflect interpolation and change is the same, -3, and maximum rate to 0. And that's all for these settings. The next thing you are going to do is just to simply apply this after selecting the plane where you want to place your water. Then assign the material, and I'm going to show it. I have already set the render values, so we have applied assigned the material. The next thing is simple render. I have done the settings of my scene in Vray, so I don't need to do it again. and because it's any other issue, we are here to just make an ocean ocean water material, and we have made it. So just simply going to click on render, and when the render is done, see you guys on the other side of the rendering. As you can see, while our scene is rendering, you can see a pretty decent water material is applied on my scene, and you can see the waves in it. You can change the size of waves, where I mentioned to put the one value, and you can also give it a little bit bump. You can increase the value of bump also, but because of its pool, it's a water for the pool, so I did not give it more values. But if you're going to make it on big scale, you can use the big values. So our Vray ocean water material is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the first episode of Vray material, and you have to ask me if you want to ask anything. If you have any request of your favorite material you want to learn, you want to see how to make it, please feel free to comment on this video, and I hope you will wait for the next episode 2 of the Vray material, in which I will give a little bit different Vray material. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and share my video, and subscribe to my channel to give me some inspiration to make a cool tutorial for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.